So this is how you charge up the electric Range Rover or hybrid or whatever it is. It's a pretty cool design. So just pop that little thing in here, little flap, and shove it in there. And this is pretty cool because all you need to do just touch it with your card. So the card is obviously registered to the car and everything. So you tap in, you charge, and then you tap out when you leave. But the cool thing is that this is in an area like this, which is very expensive, but you don't have to pay here for parking. So as long as you charge the car, you don't pay for parking. You have to have your own lead, but as I said, this charger had like has a standard lead as well. So not all of them has it, but have it. Sorry, a little bit of a grammatical hoppala. But I like the idea that when you charge, you don't have to pay for parking, and that's Dongit Doggies. For Chino Michelle, like, share, comment, and of course, au revoir.